So Nasfos Green here from Nastime Productions. I'm doing a short video on a shed that I built. Long story short, I set a challenge for myself to build a shed for as close to nothing as possible. To get under the council guidelines, it had to be under 10 square meters, under 3 meters high, and a few other little regulations that I had to follow, but I'm pretty confident that I got well within those requirements. So here's a little tour of the shed. Welcome to the first grand tour of the shed. Calling this the Camo Club. If you've been following my Facebook group, you might get a little bit more insight into the progress of all this. This is, I'm calling this the finished project. Of course there's still going to be ongoing work to be done, but at this stage the bulk of the work has been done. So this is the shed I built for close to nothing. The initial project started a couple of years ago. I was basically after a man cave, a little bit of an escape if you like, and long story short, I was told I could have it as long as it costs close to nothing. So this is essentially what was built for close to nothing. It's 9.86 square meters in total to get into council regulations and not require permits. That's the brickwork. There is the fireplace. You'll see that from the inside in a moment. On the left there I will be putting a sink and a bench for cleaning fish, and I do have to do some more work to that downpipe and the guttering, so I'll connect that little tank up there that'll feed my sink for washing hands. So let's take a bit of a tour inside. Doors here, windows, everything, all the materials were donated. So welcome to the man cave. See, started decorating the place already. Start with this wall here. So TV 40-inch screen up on the wall. Was able to get that relatively cheap. There's a dartboard that goes behind there, and I got that at a real bargain as well. Some signage. It's all powered, as you can see, so there's lighting in here. There's a fireplace nicely trimmed with some fence pails. That pot belly was donated. It was a bit messy when I first started with it, but it's been cleaned up quite nicely. A little area beside that for storing some firewood. Couple of tubs down there using for rubbish and so forth. This is a pallet that I've using as a little bench or a bar for holding your drinks. Some signage. I'll start to get a little bit more. Pictures, everything's that's been donated here. You can see the seats there are all leather trim. Some camo cushioning at the back. Again, this is the bar that I've designed. The skeleton, Impala at the back, leather seats, camo cushioning, couple of drinks there stored, got my fridge in there already, fan there to keep us cool in the summer, and as you can see, not a bad little spread, is it? So essentially this is what you can build for nothing if you put your mind to it.